White lines on your Epson printer? I'll show you how to fix it in just a few minutes. There are two main reasons why your prints may have horizontal white lines. The first is a clogged print head, and the second is an issue with the encoder disc or encoder strip. To identify the problem, you need to run a nozzle check. The method depends on your Epson printer model. The steps may vary depending on your Epson printer model. If your printer has an LCD screen, you can run the nozzle check directly from the maintenance menu. But if it doesn't have an LCD, simply press and hold the stop button, then press the power button while the printer is turned off for about 5 seconds. After printing the nozzle check pattern, take a close look at the result. If you notice missing lines or gaps, it means the print head is clogged. In this case, run the head cleaning several times to improve the print quality. You can find the detailed steps in the video description below. However, if there are no missing lines and the pattern looks complete, the issue may be with the encoder strip or encoder disc. In that case, carefully clean the encoder strip using a soft, lint-free cloth. Make sure to do it gently to avoid any damage. After that, try printing again. Your print should now be smooth and clear without any white lines. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more printer repair tutorials.